What is the symbol of iron?
E.
What is the symbol of tantalum?
Santalyo.
Tantalum. No.
Ta.
Ta. What is the symbol of gold?
EU.
What is the symbol of silver?
AG.
What is the element symbol of mercury?
HG.
What is the symbol of helium?
HE.
PG.
Symbol of carbon?
C.
C.
Symbol of magnesium?
Huh?
MA.
Magnesium?
M.
No.
AG.
Ag. What is the symbol of silver?
AG.
What is the symbol of chlorine?
C.
CL.
What is the symbol of potassium?
A.
K. What is the symbol of water?
H2O.
What is the symbol of zinc?
ZN.
Symbol of tantalum?
KA.
Symbol of neon?
N.
Huh?
ZN.
Neon. NA.
Symbol of
Potassium.
nickel?
Okay, students, prepare for your activity, and it's all about the collective nouns. So, girls versus boys using magnetic board. Let's start. Give me the collective noun for actors. Okay, so 1 point for girls. Okay, next, Joanna. Ato na sa likod, Jed. Okay, give me a collective noun for a group of oysters. Okay, very good. So, 2 points for girls, 1 point for boys. Okay, ready? Give me a collective noun for a group of fish or whales. Okay, very good. So, ang spelling ni mo, Desiree. Ngano na di man na. So, okay. So, ang points sa boys. Pila ng points niyo, boys? 2 points. Dahil lahat, wrong spelling man. So, 2 points. Farah. Okay. Let's have, give me the collective nouns for the group of sailors. Group of sailors. Okay. Very good. So, 3 points, 3 points. Okay, line na girls, line na boys. Ready? Excited kayo ang boys of boys and versus girls. So, fighting girls, fighting boys. Okay. Give me the collective noun for the group of mountains or islands. Okay, nakadaog ang girls. Very good, girls. So, let's have kini. Give me a collective noun for the group of owls. Group of owls daw. Okay, ang boys. Tayo na po. Sige. Okay. Ano na? Give me collective noun for the group of bees. Bees. Okay. Swarm. Very good, Tay. Okay. Sige pa.
Faster than you can.
Faster. Give me a collective noun for the group of lions. Ang girls, the winner is girls. Okay. Sige lang, mag-practice lang gihapon ta ha. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Teacher Ben.
Okay, so for this day, our topic is all about collective nouns. Collective nouns. Okay, so please read the following. Go.
Collective nouns refers to a group or a whole unit Example of collective nouns. An army, battalion of ants, a set of fishes, a rank of sailors, a swarm of bees, a parliament of owls, a chain of mountain islands, a series of victories, a bed of oysters, a squadron of flies, a pride of lions, a flock of tourist guests, a flock of birds, a shore of angels singers.
So it is not sure. Choir. Choir ang basa na niya. Go.
A buffet
A choir.
a choir of angels singers.
At a nice slush dira is or ang basa na niya. Angels or singers. Go.
A choir of angels or singers. A buffet of roses.
No, it's not bouquet, but bouquet. Go.
A bouquet of roses.
Bouquet. Silent T. Bouquet. Go.
A bouquet of roses. A tribe of monkeys. A school of fish or whales. A gang of hoodlums.
Hoodlums.
A bunch of bananas. A bunch of grapes. A cast or group of actors.
Okay, so i-familiarize ang mga collective nouns involving that following objects, animals, or places because naatay activity afterwards. Okay, so please study.
Three times 2. 5 times 5. 4 times 7. 9 times 5. 4 times 9. 8 times 5. 3 times 7. 6 times 6. 3 times 8. 3 times 6. 6 times 8. 7 times 7. 8 times 8.
64. 8 times 9.
72.
9 times 7.
63.
8 times 6.
48.
7 times 7.
49.
6 times 7.
42.
8. 8 times 6.
48.
9 times 9.
81.
9 times 7. 63. 8 times 8.
64.
8 times 6.
48.
8 times 4. 7 times 5.
35.
8 times 4.
42.
7 times 7.
49.
6 times 8.
58.
8 times 6. 48. 9 times 5.
45.
7 times 6. 42. 6 times 7.
42.
3 times 8.
34.
5 times 6.
30.
9 times 7.
50. 63.
8 times 3.
54.
7 times 4.
58.
6 times 6.
36.
6 times 8. 48. 9 times 8.
72.
9 times 5.
36.
No. 8 times 6.
58.
1 times 6. 32. 4 times 6.
24.
3 times 7.
21.
3 times 8.
54.
4 times 9.
36.
8 times 8.
64.
7 times 3.
21.
6 times 9.
54.
8 times 5. 7 times 5.
25.
327. 9 times 4. 36. 9 times 5. 45. 9 times 6. 54. 9 times 7. 63. 9 times 8. 72. 9 times 9. 81. 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 4, 24, 6 times 5, 30, 6 times 6, 36, 6 times 7, 22, 6 times 8, 48, 6 times 9, 54, 8 times 1 equals 8, 8 times 2 equals 16, 8 times 3 equals 24, 8 times 4 equals 32, 8 times 5, 48, 8 times 6, 48, 8 times 7 equals 6, 8 times 8, 64, 8 times 9, 72. 7 times 1 equals 7, 7 times 2 equals 14, 7 times 3 equals 31, 7 times 4 equals 28, 7 times 5 equals 35, 7 times 6 equals 42, 7 times 7 equals 49, 7 times 8 equals 56, 7 times 9 equals 63.
4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4